Okay, now let's show you how to adjust the speed of an actuator. So what you want to do is you go into actuator set, hit the speed button right there, and you can adjust the extending speed and the retracting speed. So by standard it comes as running at 100%. So if you run it now, so we can show you exactly what the normal speed is like for these actuators. These are a 220 pound force actuators. So they run at a fairly slow speed already out of the box because of the high force. But let's change that to, say, 50% extending, and then the lowest you can go is 20% of the speed. Hit save, and now if you see the difference in speed, so now that's running a lot slower extending. And then if we retract it, and you see that's quite slow. And even if you use the switch, I wired in a switch here, it'll do the same thing. It still gives you the same same speed regardless of whether you use the remote control, the switch, or the manual control on this screen here, because here you can control the speed as well. So let's say retract. As you can see, that's quite slow. Stop it there, and we'll go back to 100%. Actuator set, speed. Let's change that up to 99, 93, close enough. Save. There we go, and now we're back to 100% of the speed. And whatever you do, whatever you change on the speed, this is only running one actuators. If you run 4 actuators, it will adjust the speed on all of them at the same time. And it's as simple as that.